Hey there, welcome to the AI web design channel. Today I've got something pretty special for you. So obviously you see I got this VR headset on my head, and I've always wanted to find a really good way of showing you guys like what I see and how I set up my kind of like work area and really why I'm using it. So I won't take any longer than this, and we'll just get straight into it. I've been able with OBS to cast and uh, as you see that really crazy spiral effect, yeah, cast my screen and capture exactly what I see. So let's give you a little tour. So this is the Lakeside personal office in Horizon Workrooms, and basically I'm just able to connect my MacBook Pro, which you can see on the desk here, through this little kind of like screen. Oh, my arm's gone all funny. Welcome to the metaverse. Here we go, we're back in action. Yeah, so you can do like desk pass through here, and you can either have like a 3D model of your laptop imprinted there, which is amazing basically. So I can see my laptop, or under here I've got a very good way of looking at like my keyboard through the bottom of the headset, because they've kind of left a gap, and you have light blockers on the side, which also really help. But so by clicking on the screen, you can kind of like make it go to the front of you, which I haven't really found much use for, but it's still quite cool. And obviously you can see the beautiful lake. If I stand up here, we can have a look around. So this is just one area, which is really cool, but let's take you some other places. So if I make that my central screen again, we've got the bright lobby. We've got a nice plant behind me there. A lamp. I'm not. I don't really like these so much. I think they should have some more kind of like cool environments, but I'm sure we'll get there. But as you see, I've mapped my desk in here, so that's a real desk. There's my hand on it. So we got the dark lobby, which is quite good for if you're in the night vibes. We've got a bit of a aurora borealis over there, which is actually moving, which is quite cool. But I like that. No, they've really done well. I think Meta are starting to get into the right place with this. So then the last option is pass through. And as you can see, I've got my guitars on the wall, etc., etc. But if I sit back a little bit, we can get a good view of my desk set up. And wow, just look at that. How neat is that? Got a little light behind me there. But yeah, coming from like, if you just look in front of you here, my laptop, which is just a little 13-inch MacBook, I can expand that into, a huge, layout, which is really cool. And you can see here in the center screen, I've got my website I'm building at the moment, which you can see in the other videos I've done on my channel. But yeah, it's just absolutely incredible. I've been using this at work, I've been using this at home, and this is running all wirelessly. I have no power in there. It's all on Wi-Fi. I'm casting it back via Wi-Fi, and it's also casting it to the headset via Wi-Fi, so that's pretty good. But you need a fairly good connection. Let me see if there's any other cool things I can show you in here. So obviously you can see I've got an avatar. I don't have any other face tracking or anything like that set up, because it kind of like wastes battery. So yeah, that's really cool. Basically, this is how I work. That's all I really wanted to show you. So I'll keep it short and sweet.